Tuni Fibro, kijing tip nam ta kikubor like kam, te kidon kumba khandai teli e kipus kibalan, kidon hapo East Gentile District, pada hapo Ribhoi District. Te kidon kipus untuk pas kasten, mat ki graduate sejarong. Te ngan pulih kat kum gini kidon raisman wamit angni, kane kade hapo East Gentile District clear ma. The Office of the District Social Welfare Officer cleared invite application from eligible candidate who are of citizen of India for the following posts on purely contractual. Kini kita baca post contractual mangine, kenapa? West Gentile. Tekane ka panikong kadai ka gender specialist, artali ki post katulop kadai ar prajar. Teka qualification kenapa bah ki bayo pan apply nam ta kadai ka gender specialist kidai graduate in social work lane other social discipline. Post graduate will be prefer ye ki adapt ye ka post graduate ane ka master. Kidon kam ro ka experience at least 3 years experience. Kane kade hapo clearian. The specialist in financial literacy kanero. Te kanero tangkawi ka post. Kanero graduate in economics, kibla adapt ye ka BA economics kilam apply banking and other similar discipline. Te kanero kam prefer ye post graduate hi tangba kidon kam ye ka 3 years experience. Te lada amdon ki baron experience ngathrai kin shim hi ye ki graduate ru. Kanero de po cleariat hi te kabalai kade account assistant tangkawi ka post arfoi hajar tulab qualification graduate ane diploma in accounts lani other discipline having account as a subject kibashim ka account subject ma at least 3 years experience of working with the government and non-government organization license name experience pan kane pede ka post nam ta kasten multitasking MTS as per government norms tangkawi ka post kadon dekhat lai hajar sibanai ya kane kade class 10 class pass under 10+2 system from any recognized board. Kibla pass we ya ka 10+2 ya ka 10 class pass under 10+2 hapo ya ka class 12. Clear kanero. Tangane ko we badai pass class 10 ma. Te kitu ki bako apna apply skap ha e jon kam. Pidan kam man pendap long ba ka standard form application in standard form will be received till the 12 January. Hadu khar tarik jong mulai January arjar afsau kin receive yaki application ni jongpi in the Office of the District Social Welfare Officer is Gentile cleared hapo cleared ni candidate without a desirable condition and a qualification and experience need not apply gibam biang ki condition baro a qualification menurut kamban apply application duly filled should be accompanied by kaban submit lang gini self attested copies baro itu gibran kam recent and update resume 2 recent passport size photograph Beratmai the envelope containing kan mau pihak tap apok envelope ikine baro te pihak ban thok bhag envelope application for the post of ye kata ka pihak apply la ka de MTS ne la ka de kite ki gender specialist ne ke bro pihak ban mention apok ka envelope diskande ka we bre ka de apok Ribhoi district nongpo the district level committee hub for empowerment of women Ribhoi district nongpo invite application from eligible candidate who are citizen of India for the following posts mentioned below. Kenero on contractual basis, Office of the District Hub for Empowerment of Women, Ribhoi District. Kenero kumjuhi the gender specialist, Echilmid arfoi do life R plus sans name do life news name. The artalik number tulop ar prajar. Kene gender in social work lane other social discipline postgraduate will prefer ada 3 years experience kumjuhi kajuhi ka post. Dan account assistant kajuhi ka post nero account assistant arfoi do life news name kawai ka post arfoi jar tulom graduate na diploma in account at least 3 years experience dan kabalai kre DEO for PMMYY work kanero arfoi do life news name khatnya hajar ka tulom kan mau khatnya hajar kanero graduation with working knowledge in computer ada be graduation tang badem don bede ka working knowledge in computer with a minimum 3 years experience in data management documentation kan dia don kam 3 years experience te ke bako apply ka shong sapi dia kata ka jeng accept dengan nom tip ki nam accept dia kata te ka shong sapi ki apply application in standard form to be submitted in the office have submit you can ki office jong pi ki standard form jong pi Office of District Social Welfare Officer Ribhoi District kan mau any incomplete will be summary rejected kibam biang kosla bambiang e bro jeng pendap te kisah reject baitara kelas dit kan santrim January arjar afsau kamau pada pendap ha tabloid ki jinon kambaro ki copy e bro ki dokumen beradab self attested bu ulang haju tab upon envelope kidur artali should be attached with application form. Safe envelope stamp containing the application form should be clearly subscribed. Haka envelope then the top high take application must apply. Application received will be scrutinized and only eligible candidate will be called. Tang kibalong eligible and such a call. Eligible candidate applying for post DO will undergo a speed typing. They apply nam taka post in DO data entry. In Habdon yaka speed typing test and only top 10 candidate based on result of speed typing will be called for interview. Te nam taka post DO bre tang shipongut can poi haka personal interview. Can select tang shipongut can don show kata speed typing test can select tang shipongut. The office of the design reserve the right to cancel any application. The office kala kadon yaka right ban cancel ikino ki application. Te sakan mau ki buku apply nam tagini post khandai tali post nam tagini baro. Te select ikabron kam kelas jadi ada mention hang tu submit offline load don online re gini baro. Te ngatai tang gini hi flash ba. Te tang gini ki jemput kulish bon.